going. Is it like a... Oh, perfect. Okay, so if I go into my stream here, it's my first time doing this. Is it like a... Oh, perfect. Okay, so if I go into my stream here, it's my first time doing this. Is it like a... Oh, perfect. Okay, so if I go into my stream here, it's my first time doing this. Okay, there we go. Okay, I saw that thing now. Here, no, I wonder if I can hear music. I'm gonna just kick on music really quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, I saw that thing now. No, I wonder if I can hear music. I'm gonna just kick on music really quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, I saw that thing now. No, I wonder if I can hear music. I'm gonna just kick on music really quick. Okay, there we go. I saw that thing now. Okay, perfect. Looks like audio works just fine. Yeah, we'll just get to freaking work now, bud. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my own implementation of equals to new char star. Data dot size +1. Expression must have a class type. First of all, is this constructor correct? I think it is. Like, I don't know if I just do like cout. So I need an operator, I guess, to stream it, I guess, right? But then yeah, then you don't have access to data anymore, right? So that makes sense. Curious to know how stood strains that went to how does it differ from a C strain? A standard does not specify the implementation as an virtually every compiler we use provides source code in the runtime, so whether you're GCC or MSVC or whatever you're. Can I look into like how stud string is even implemented? Like if I just go to like stud string s equals a new stud string. Actually I could even just do this, no? Yeah. Right, oh. Right, I got rid of that. So go to declaration. Yes I can. STL iterator. I'm wondering, would you guys be interested in seeing a camera? Yes. Holy shit. Hello, Fullerton Bay. How's it going? I'm just kind of lost because like if I can't do it like I don't know, if I take in like null pointer then size 0 capacity, because the thing with strings is that it's always the capacity always doubles. Actually, that's just the vector. Sorry, I'm on the wrong thing. I was talking about this, so I can't do this because that's a keep allocated thing. So can I not just do like data equals to like stud string copy? Shows it str copy. What was it called again? String, not string view. I forgot exactly what it was called. Let's go, bro. How's work currently, broski? Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Any string. I'm trying to like, I don't know. I'm trying to pick up C++ again because I don't know. I just feel really stupid when it comes to this freaking language. I think it's like str copy, right? And then that is. Do I need like a header for that? Like include string. Does that allow me to do it? Or memory maybe? I forgot which one it was. Okay, I think string copy takes in like what, like a const reference to, so like I think I can do like data, then like this dot data. This I have to use the arrow operator because they're in C++, and then we just do. Yeah, I'll just like write a note up here so I don't forget what I'm doing. Like, implementation of stud string. Yes. Now if I go to aw, that sucks, bro. I'm sure you'll get through it soon, bro. Best of luck. Low-key, this is probably like a different like comparison in general, but I remember like when I used to like work as a deli boy, and like I had like two of like the high schoolers I used to work with, they would like call off or whatever, and I'd just be alone. Like I know how that shit was, like solo cut, you know. It was so cool though. It was a chill job. I was just like cutting meat for unks and stuff, so it was pretty dope. Pretty dope. You get me? I'm actually curious, like under the hood, like it's implemented like using like templates, right? I don't know why you need a template for this. I'll pull this up. Actually, no, maybe I can like simplify this constructor entirely and just do like data, assign data to like char1, right? And then just make sure we assign a null operator, or like null term, whatever it's called, null character, a null terminator. Null terminator. Shit sounds kind of tough though, I'm not gonna lie. Shoot. This is wrong, actually. New char const. No. Oh, I don't think it should be constant. Yeah, grinding out Loblaws. Yeah, I think it's like, honestly I forgot, I think it's like that. Legit, that shit's like literally like freaking, it's like Canadian Walmart, but it's just like way shittier. Cause it's just like, everything's just so expensive there for like the most like mid freaking groceries ever. I remember that shit was so unsanitary too, especially when the teenagers were working there. Like I honestly felt bad for anyone that worked there. Like I genuinely wouldn't buy meat from that place, like ever. Honestly. I forget how difficult it is to freaking to code while talking at the same time, bro. Stud string copy. I think I was on the right track though. And I think it would be this. And string copy what? Stud has no what? Okay, so it says C string, I think is what it is. C string. Yes! Okay. I remember now. I can read documentation. Yeah, get me? You know what I'm saying? Also, I don't know. I'm just been like, this is so boring to do, but also really cool at the same time because I get to refresh my C++ stuff. But like, I had like one like technical, like automated technical interview for like a job, and then like all the C++ stuff I was like kind of stumped on, and I kind of low-key felt like shit after it. So I was like, you know what? Like, what are common things people ask on, like, let's say if I somehow miraculously get like the phone interview, right? Or the on-call one, or like, you know, they get you on a video call and you have to like freaking stream your screen or whatever. Like, I need to make sure I don't fumble that, you know? So usually like a common question is like, you usually get like some sort of, hey, like try to implement this data structure or whatever, or like this this like class in the C++ standard or whatever. That's what I'm up to right now. Just trying to warm my shit up, you know, you get me? Some gamer VTuber program streaming. That would be kind of peak, actually. That would absolutely be peak, bro. I don't know though to like to do like the VTuber thing. Aw, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Sorry, I just had to mute for a second. But, yeah, no, thank you. I don't know, hopefully I get it, but, I don't know. It's just been so slow, man. Like, there's not a lot of, like, game dev stuff at the moment. Especially for junior positions, right? It's kind of cringe, but it is what it is. I got, like, I'm just glad I finally got a response after this time. Like, I have, like, so far two leads right now. So, assuming I don't fumble both of them, hopefully we're chilling, bro, if you get me. Then, like, you know, I'm going to, like, events or whatever. Toronto, surprisingly, like, there's a good amount of stuff in the area for, like, not even just, like, software-only jobs, it's, like, game stuff, too. I met a lot of, cool graphics people and whatnot there. It's very nice. Funny story, I met, like, a tech lead at, like, EA one time. And, I don't know, he offered me like a referral or whatever, and he actually went through with it, but that one didn't really go through because it was a little too late. It was like bad timing, and they already like were in the process of interviewing people, but which is unfortunate, but it is what it is, you know. But yeah, I just don't want to be cooked, you know. I just want to like out of school just have something ASAP and just like, you know, get the ball rolling. I don't like freaking being at home all the time, you know. Or like working my part-time job too, you know, it's like, it kind of feels like a waste of time when I have a degree, right, and experience too, right, like I have like a game or whatever. But speaking of that, I want to work on that later, but for now, I'm just going to do this shit for now and just like try to figure this out. Okay, got a stud string length, which I'm pretty sure does exist. Because I tried doing that like before, doing like data equals to new char stud string length. Yes, okay, I have it. Then data +1, and this would be this, I think. I think that's it, no? Because we just make a copy of the string of like what the user is passing, and then we just increase it by 1 for the null terminator character, right? And make sure that ends up last always. So it's like a first in, last out thing. So I'll write that out actually. Character is lost. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. So the deconstructor, I'm guessing we can just do like a delete and call delete on data. I think it's just that simple. Copies, this is I'm new to, as you can see. I think move assignment operator. Is that not correct? Okay, this one I didn't even realize. Okay, this one I'll just ignore for now. Copy assignment operator. So if in the case that this gets copied, copy assignment, or we could do move constructor. I think this one I might be more familiar with. I don't know why that's like that. Wait, was that not correct? I think that was just that bracket there that was just like stumping me a bit. Control, but okay, yeah. Okay. That's because I had like another one of these here that just threw a bajillion compile error. So if I uncomment this probably still won't work. But if I do like try to like, I don't know, it's L. Yeah, because we don't have a, what's it called, like a stream operator yet, so we will get to the bottom of that soon. I know, I think copy assignment would fix that, because that makes a copy whenever it prints it, I think, under the hood. I don't know. C++ is really freaking cringe. Okay. See you later, Lane. Bye-bye. Yeah, okay. You feel me? Yeah, family. Move assignment operator. So I do move constructor. Move constructor, move constructor. We could use did swap. No, can we not? That's kind of cheating though, Loki, but if I go to the top and do like include, I think it's part of stud swap is what, utility, I believe. Yep. Yep. Copy assignment operator.
Way of writing this, and this is best. Okay, implemented it using copy and swap EDM. So this is very simple. You will just create a dynamic array, new character, str length of your, you have to give this std here. Okay, so you can just simply say moving. So the copy is not the assignment operator. I have implemented it using copy and swap EDM.
I'm just I don't know, just doing stuff right now, you get me? You know? Still practicing. G-string operator. Data plus string length. Actually, do we use dot data or do we use the lambda function or lambda operator? It's not lambda. Other dot data. So this is in the case when we're adding two strings together, right? So when we add two G strings together, you get me? Char star new data equals to I guess it would just make a new char array that's size of blank plus 1 for the null terminator character. Instead string copy. We're basically gonna copy what new data into data. Then string instead string cat new data other dot data. Alright. And G string equals to new data, and delete. We probably should delete, right? Anyway, we just return final now. So we just do like what return final. You think at the end of this I should use Claude or whatever to check if I'm doing stuff right? Yeah, I don't know. You think at the end? Just checking on my screen there a little bit. You get me? Move assignment operator. Let's see what the Indian guy has to say about this.
This copy and swap idiom, you should check out my video where I have explained the need of this.
Move assignment. Okay, he does the same thing at ampersand and then other, and then he does no except after. Move assignment. So will we just not just like return this? Like just like a pointer to this, right? Or maybe I guess we would have to, at least what the Indian guy does, like he has to like check if other is not equal to it, and then we just do like delete data. Data equals to other data. Other dot data beta equals to null pointer. So delete data. Data equals other data. Other data equals null pointer. And then return. So this would just return a null pointer. Essentially. Right? Return null pointer in the case that the user does something silly. No except. Actually, honestly, I have no idea So no except just means it doesn't throw an exception, right? I'm guessing. Let me look that up actually really quick. Stud no except. The no except operator performs a compile time check that returns true if the expression is declared to not throw any exceptions. It can be used within a function template's no except specifier declare. Okay. No throw. May throw. No throw. Interesting. How do I donate money? You don't, because I don't need money, bro. I don't want your money. But thanks, bro. Actually, give me $1 billion, please. What's your Bitcoin wallet? I can send my Bitcoin wallet, bro. I'm getting distracted, bro. That's awesome. Hi, Murtada. I love you, bro. You're my goat. Move assignments operator. This is gonna be the one that's kind of I think that should work, no? Oh, I mean, I guess like what strings also have like they have an option to return a C string, right? Which is just a const char star pointer, right? Yeah, const. Okay, well, char type T, whatever. We're not doing templated stuff because that's too complicated. I'm not freaking the guy who made this language, fucking whatever his name, Bjorn. So I'll just do like, this one should be simple, I think. Implementation of C string, stud C string. And if I do like, let's char star C string, just return data, or a pointer to data, because data is already a pointer, silly Billy. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm freaking saying, bro. That's what I'm freaking saying. I'm going insane, bro. I think potentially. I think I'm getting better at like talking and programming, but it's still like I'm still unbelievably slow, like compared to like what I'm used to, you know. Okay, let's try a test really quick. So, can I actually make a okay, I can make a generate string of called A, right? And what if I just try to like print it, like stud C out, A, stud NL, right? So if I compile this, wait, there's an issue somewhere. No operator. Do I need a string? How do I make a stream operator? Stream operator. C++. The stream operator is an insertion. Okay, I know what a stream operator is. I just don't know how to do it. Instead O stream operator. Okay, so I actually like program what happens whenever you pass in a Holy cow. That's AIDS, bro. I love this language and also hate this language at the same time for many reasons. I do like, so, stud, what's it called? O-string operator. So if I do like G-string, no, it wouldn't return G-string, it would return, stud O-string, and that's called operator, not delete, silly. The stream operator, stud O-stream. Okay, according to documentation, I need to pass in a const char. What is this type? Char 8T. Okay, I'm guessing I need O-string for that then. Include O-string. So now if I go back down to like, where was I? No. Okay, now I need to look up what this type is now. I love this language, bro. This language is really easy to learn, I bet. And uchar.h, char8t is an unsigned, okay, unsigned integer type used for UTF-8 encoding. Interesting. Okay, well now I know. I'll just write that as a note here. Use, underload. We're gonna use a white person term. So it's not O. We probably do need O-stream, but what was it called? uchar.h, I think is what it was called, right? So now if we go here, it should work. Operator. So that means I can pass emojis in now. I lied, probably not. O-stream reference, sorry. Right? And then we need to return OS static cast char. Static cast. What does static cast do again? Do I need to do static cast? Go to definition. Go to declaration. No. Return OS static cast char. What is this game? Too many parameters for this operator function. How's it too many? Oh, right. If this is referencing, maybe that should be reference? Or dereference operator? You should add an if-then statement here. Don't forget an if. Oh, okay, okay. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Dude, this is making me feel so stupid because this is like such a basic thing. It's like, yo, right? Like, re-implement a string, right? Like, and whatever, like C++, right? So it's like, you'd think it would be simple just holding like a bunch of characters and then like, you know, there's a lot more to it than just that, apparently, you know? It's kind of unfortunate. Okay, no, we'll ignore this for now. Does adding actually work, though? So fuck it, we'll just ignore this for now. Yeah, we'll just ignore that. We'll do... Can we do this? Is this allowed? Yes! It does compile now. So this works. Ute! That's what I like to see, that's what I like to see! I just need to figure out why this is, like, being silly. Why this is being silly. should be commented. It's basically unsigned int. This language is such a freaking poop, man. Freaking poop, man. We're writing by hand though. I'm not gonna cave in, bro. We need to figure this out. Too many parameters. Let's see if somebody asks this question on Stack Overflow before. We'll see. Operator overloading. I need a reference or like just a what it looks like, so I can do this. Holy shit! This kind of is. Move assignment, yeah. Copy assignment. Stream extraction and insertion operators. So the overloads operator and operator other arrow that makes a stud in is stream or stud o stream as the left hand argument are known for insertion and extraction operations. Since they take a user defined type as a right argument b and a times b, they're implemented as non-members. Right obj to stream. Is that not what I just did here though? Stud o stream reference operator this whatever this is stud o stream ampersand os no, that wasn't it. Explicit type missing instance. Let me make it auto. God damn it, bro. This is actually hard, man. No, that wouldn't make sense. We don't know. We're trying to return the character array, not the actual pointer to it. I'm kind of stumped. Don't worry, I got you. Wait, it automatically translates what I type. TY, bro. Lol. I'll continue. I don't want to be stuck on this for too long. I think I might just like, maybe ask the robot. See what the robot thinks. And this is in where's CPP practice again? I forgot where I put this. Oops. Open. Oops. Forgot how I did this. Oh, it's in my home directory. That's a little bit silly, you know. String implementation. We're doing string implementation. Vector is a little bit out of my league right now. This shit's a little bit too crazy, no? I think. String implementation C. What? First time writing a stream operator overload method. What am I doing wrong here? I'm sorry, I'm caving in, bro. Should not be a for a string operator should not be a member function of GString at all. Left hand side. If operator is a member of GString, the left hand side Implicit this has to be G-string, meaning you have to write std_cout, which isn't what anyone wants. A std_cout. It takes in a std ostream OS by value, isn't copyable, so that won't compile. It takes it by value? No, I'm passing the %. Stupid frickin' clanker. Yeah, it literally says I'm not even missing the thing there. Put that inside the class body. The friend keyword lets it access a private data member. So it's saying that this shouldn't even be in the G-string class like at all. It should be like, or it is, but it's like not within the same scope as this. Is that what it's saying? I didn't say that in CPP reference though. Behaves a formatted output function that is constructed checking a sentry object. This is terms I do not know. It's constructed from local scope. Okay. I'm sure you can do vectors soon. Thanks, bro. So class G-string constructor, copy constructor. Wait, do I know? What? Constructor. Do I have a copy constructor? I don't have a copy constructor. Uh-oh, that's bad. Okay, let's do that right now. Copy constructor. And copy constructor needs a, I think it's G-string and then const. Yeah, it'll be a reference to whatever this is. Whoopsie daisy. Data equals a new char. We can do like this. String. Is it not the same thing as this? What I want to do? If you're doing a copy, if you're copying the object over, right? It would just be the same thing. Or it just applies this data to the other object and then. Oh. This. What did I just do? I don't know. It's better. Ugh! We're back. Hopefully I didn't save. Okay, that's good. Perfect. And I want my NeoVim to be perma frickin' zoomed in. You get me? Yuppie. 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 One watching now. One watching now. I wonder who that is. I'm so famous. It's unbelievable how famous I am. Should make videos again. Actually, like coding videos, I think, or programming videos. Because honestly, I've been really getting like really invested in this. Especially learning like C++ and stuff. It's just been sick. I love Cliff Bars. Size of data. Stowed substring. It's a function C++ that returns a substring from a string starting at a specified position, optionally spanning. Alright. This one should be easy to do as well. So const char star substring. It'll take auto, no, not auto. We'll need an int value. Int A, int B. Then we'll do if A is, I'm assuming this will have to be like unsigned int, right? Uint. If B is greater than or equal to data.size, then we return pointer. That was some good tortellinis from my mom's ski. It's pretty goated. Although I equals to A, and if I is less than equal to B, think this is how you would do it. Maybe that should just work, no? The substring. Nice. So if I try to compile this. Oh yeah, I do need my own launch.json file. So do I need to how can you run code? It's the easiest way to do this. I know you can do it just like the terminal and like GCC or whatever. I have Clang installed. Yeah, I forgot what compiler I had for a sec. Huh. That's interesting. Test space std string s g out of scope. The deconstructor should just be called here. Delete data. Oh shoot, I'm just gonna ask shit please, so I don't waste my tokens. Ah. Line 20. Non-void function does not return a value. Really? Where? Oh, right, I don't never finish this. Copy assignment move constructor. Okay, let's fix all this and then we can test it. Linker. I don't know why, but maybe it's something to do with like I think this is the right way to do it. I think I did mean delete with the brackets. Non-void function does not return a value. So line 51 is this guy over here. We should return a G-string reference. So copy assignment operator. Yay! Let's see how many errors we fixed with just that. Control Shift B. I think a low-key might just prefer to do in here. What? CPP practice. It's my home directory. There we go. I could just use, I don't want to use CMake for this though, I just want to compile this and run it. Maybe, I don't know, using this is also not that bad either, but it's just annoying. Okay, what? Terminal. Adding char to a string pointer does not append to the string. That's not allowed, eh? Huh. 152. Non-void function does not return a value. Oh yeah. Just return. I forgot to do that. Forgot to do that, buddy. Fuck. I forgot to do that. Forgot to do that, buddy. Oh. Linker failed to exit code 1. Use V to see an indication. I did not. Yes, give me AIDS. Did we finish all of this? I think we did, yeah. Probably still get linker errors. Low key. Still link errors, eh? Yeah, I feel so stupid when doing this. I seriously don't know why. It's so hard for me. Looking good for the camera. Probably no camera this time. Low key. Looking good for the camera. So, okay. A friend class. Friends. So what does friend mean in C++? This is the kind of the thing I'm stuck on a little bit. I was trying to understand like what I did. I know all of this, just the only thing I had to look up was this. Like the stream operator. This is kind of like was a little bit of a hassle for me to figure out. Low key, bro. Yeah, sure. Let's look geeks for geeks. Friend class can access private and protected members of another class of which is declared as a friend. Class geeks. Okay. That's a nice name though. Friend. It's kind of wholesome. Class geeks. Friend class GFG. Class GFG is declared as a friend inside class of geeks, therefore class GFG can access private members. Oh, okay, so if this occurs, then only this can look at this and this. It's protected. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So, but when a method is declared a friend, it means it can access data. Which data in this case is private. But if it's already within the scope of this class, then why does this need to be a friend? Can I just get rid of the friend? Like, what happens if I get rid of friend? Ah. I don't know why it says too many too many thingamabobs. Dude, this language is so weird, man. Maybe I'm just stupid. I think I'm just stupid. I think that's what it is. I lied. I'm a genius. Frickin' genius. Gotta keep telling myself that. One day it'll be true. Okay. So copy assignment operator is an empty body, no return statement. I already fixed that. It needs to steal other data and null out other data. Otherwise, remove constructor leaves this data uninitialized, reading, deleting garbage. Main is defined inside, namespace web string, so it's web string main. Nor the program define a name stuff. Oh. Whoopsie daisy, that's why there's a linker error. I didn't even realize that. It was inside of the namespace this whole freaking time, man. I'm a silly Billy. Low key, man. Oh, whoops. It's Shift G. I wanna just kick that back. This would be gleb string. Whoops. What am I doing, bud, dude? GLEB string. Oh, man, I need water. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna grab water real quick. Be right back. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Water obtained. Well rested. Let's get this shit cut. Let's get it. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say carp. You get me? I have to do this now because I moved it out of the namespace. Oh, whoopsie daisy, silly me. Gleb the string. Yes, for anyone. Oh, there's 2 people in there. Aww. 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 Oh, nice. Where those 3 people go, man? Fuck. Fuck, man. Fuck. When's my #1 fan, bro? Crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. Do you have any errors? Should be no errors. Oh, I lied. I guess there was a linker error. How the frick is there a linker error, man? So can I not just run a good all... What? What? Okay, substring does not work at all. And original after move does not work at all. That is pretty cool. Okay, we're almost done implementing our own string. Look at that, man. Only took freaking 160 lines of code, bro. Holy moly. Holy moly. So yeah, we just need to fix something wrong with substring. Right? Like this little chicken bob. So is it the fact that it's an unsigned int? I don't know, man. I don't freaking know about it. Little keyboard. Is it the fact that it's an unsigned int? I don't know, man. I don't freaking know about it. Oh, dude, I'm geeked. I'm so geeked. I lied. Bro, I'm so geeked, bro. A result is a const char star pointing on a string literal empty string. Result plus equals data doesn't append the character to a string. I'm not sure if I'd ever be able to point this out. It does pointer arithmetic, advancing the pointer by data index I bytes. So you're walking result off into unrelated memory and then returning a dangling / garbage pointer. That's why your output of substring looks like nonsense or crashes rather than the single character you expect. To build a real substring, you need an actual buffer on your phone. What does this do in that I don't? Length. Data length equals to string length of data. If length is greater than data length, it's greater than the actual length of the string that we're storing. Copies at most count characters of the byte string pointed to by source. If count is reached before the entire string. There's data to other data. Alright, I'll just count this as done. Okay. No, for some reason that doesn't work, but... dude, this is AIDS. That's actually a lot of work, bro. Holy cow. I was doing this for how many hours, bro? Alright. I think I'm probably gonna... a low Kirky cut the stream here, cut. Maybe I'll do some more game dev stuff next time or something, you know? Just to cheer it up a little bit. You get me? I don't know. Just want to say, like, I don't know, anyone who is watching, just thanks for tuning in. Y'all are awesome. I don't know, I didn't really do much, whole lot today, honestly. I just other than me stumble like an idiot, trying to re-implement, unsuccessfully re-implement G-string, or stood string as G-string. Make my own little string class, you know. Learned a little bit from it. Oh yeah, rule of 5 still bugs me a lot. Like, and all these like custom operators, it's like, ugh, it's gross. Anywho, thanks for tuning, guys. I don't know, probably maybe I'll stream again for funsies. I thought it was kind of fun doing it a little bit. I think I just went on a little bit too long. That's it. I just feel a little tired. Okay, thank y'all.